Hey everybody, this is Danny with Danny's Auto Detailing in San Francisco, and today I'm going to show you how I do a maintenance exterior wash on a vehicle that I service every 3 weeks. This is a 2014 BMW 428i. I take care of this every 3 weeks, and as you can see, it looks very clean as it is. It's also garage kept, so really this is a lucky find. And on these wheels, you do see some brake dust and some dirt thrown around, but to be honest, it is going to come off really quickly and easily. Here I am rinsing down the tire with the pressure washer, and then I'm also rinsing the wheel well. Now I'm spraying it down with super clean diluted 5-to-1, the tire and the wheel. The reason I'm just doing it one chemical like this is because everything is so clean, it doesn't take a lot to bring it back to the highest level of perfection possible. Alright, now I am giving it a pre-rinse, a pre-soak with Optimum No Rinse and distilled water. This is gonna encapsulate any of the dirt and dust that's kind of sitting on the roof or the car. And then I didn't record this part, but I then rinsed it again with the pressure washer. Now I am washing the car with the clay, with the wash mitt, using a 2-bucket method. Now the entire car has been washed, and I'm doing a rinse, obviously, right now. And what you're going to see next is me taking the air dryer, an electric air dryer blower that I have, and I just decided to blow the whole car dry with minimal touch from the towel. This car is really well protected. Every time I come here, I put on another layer of spray wax. So it's super hydrophobic, and it just looks good, it feels good, the customer loves it. Here is the spray shine that I use, and everybody, if you're just starting out, make sure if you're going to use a spray shine, aerosol, do it before you wax the car, because there's going to be some overspray, and in about 10 or 15 minutes, if you don't do any more wiping down of the car, you're going to see tons of little dots, and it's very annoying. So that's why if I use the aerosol can to do the tire shine, I'm going to wax at the end, and that's what I'm doing right now. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for me. I'm going to finish up this wax, do the windows, and I'm going to get out of here and show you the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow me and my journey on this detailing business. I hope to share everything I know with you. And right on guys. Thanks again, and don't detail angry.